Okay.
Okay. Let's see.
For YouTube.
Seriously?
Yeah.
YouTube.
You don't want to be on YouTube. No stress. You don't have to be on YouTube, Gazi. Okay. This pipe is going to the coming from the gearbox, and this is going to that there. So I need this one to be made. Yeah.
Okay, so it's just this end that you need changed.
So I just need that in there changed, and then how long will it take?
Would we?
That size? Let's pay for that. 316.
How are you, boss?
Fine.
Lekker man, lekker man. What's your name there, boss?
Morning, how you doing?
Lekker man, lekker.
How you doing? Nice, nice.
So how many
Enjoying
years?
a cup of coffee?
Yeah, that's lekker. How many years you here?
19 years.
What?
19 years, sir.
Just guys.
Yeah.
And you? How many years are you here? Because you don't want to be on YouTube. I'm gonna put you on. You know what? You're gonna watch yourself.
How many years I am here? Just as I left, they came back.
Okay, so that day is gonna go there.
But I'm from 2017 in hydraulics.
Just
Yeah, I see. If we just cut over there, we put on that one there with a double flare. Pa, Bob is your uncle.
okay.
So go ahead and do it.
Yeah, please, man.
To our hydraulics.
Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah, so you can see what everything we're doing here.
Cool.
Especially for the air extensions, you see the air fittings and stuff like that. All the PU fittings, the straight connectors, the elbows with the threads, you see. We do all of that.
Hi.
And the brass fittings, like brass reducers, you see.
Just okay.
It's all on the picture
And
outside.
okay, these machines here now are the ones that.
Yeah, this is a crimping machine, you see. That's where we crimp the pipe.
Okay.
You see, then we crimp it down to
Hopefully
spec.
somebody comes to crimp one, then we can check what
Yeah.
it looks like.
Yeah, but especially there's nobody around making a pipe. And this is all our brake fittings that we have. We don't have a lot of a range of brake fittings because we're not more automotive, you see.
Yeah. Okay.
It's just a little bit automotive. So that's all the brake fittings.
But I mean, a lot of automotive guys come to you.
Yeah, a lot of what you check here, some air couplers, some brass couplers and stuff. You see?
So basically, you guys mostly dealing with trucks,
Yeah, we work with trucks, hydraulics,
tractors, TLBs.
TLBs, yeah.
Lekker. And your me, bro.
This is our PU pipe. You see our air pipe, industrial pipes, fuel hoses, and this is the hydraulic hoses.
I actually need a fuel hose. I think it's gonna be the size of here.
8 more.
Yeah.
Eight more fuel hose.
Give me about I think maybe a meter in that over there.
A meter.
I think that should be more than enough. So I just need to.
So you only need a meter.
Yeah, just for now.
And you need clamps.
Hello. Yes, please.
Because we do those clamps. This is the normal one drive clamps we are doing.
Yeah. No.
See
Give me
the Midas
give me
clamp.
2 of that there.
Yeah, this is our workshop. Here what we do the cutting and the.
Okay, so he's doing
Glazing.
one
Yeah,
of
and
that. Let's check what's
he's
this.
making a fillet for you, you see, with your tube nut.
Okay.
Yeah, probably this viewer so let us get clients as well. You see? Hey, we do a 24-hour standby.
Is it? Lekker.
Yeah.
That's
So we come out till here. We come fix you if you want a pipe. You come with
to
your
here.
pipe till here. We charge you like 300 rand during the week. Public holidays is 400 rand and Sundays.
Yeah. We
So-
will literally wake up for our clients.
Just
Yeah, we wake up. It doesn't matter what time it is. We wake
yeah,
up.
that's lekker.
We wake up.
Okay, what? Okay, so this is also what machines?
so-
At same type.
Yeah.
We do TIG welding and brazing over there, and this is our little CNC.
Lekker.
Yeah.
That's lekker. Okay. It's a little bit about.
Yeah, we do hydraulic oil. You see?
Okay, so you supply this or do you?
We supply.
You supply
hydraulic
this
oil.
over here.
Yeah.
That's
in
lekker.
5 liters, 20 liters, and like that.
No, guys, that's cool.
And there you can see on our boat what we do.
Yeah. You won't supply rubbers and stuff for this here, no?
No, we don't do rubbers, we
that,
don't
okay.
do seals.
Okay, and if I have to get another pipe on this over
We
here?
do that brake pipe.
Now
for
tell
you.
me, can you replace this over here? What's the price on that they're gonna do?
Yeah, we can make you a new one.
Because I don't
But
know if
then
that
you
one
will
is
have
messed
to-
up. You see?
We'll have to reuse this fitting. This one.
Oh.
Because we don't have this one, you see. So we have to cut there off and put like a blank tail on.
Okay, so how do I know if this one is good or not? What's that gonna cost?
Dis was net 'n nuwe pyp, né?
Nuwe pyp, okay?
Ja.
Hierdie, eerste ding is, was hierdie 'n 90 of is hy so
Nee, ek weet nie.
verstaan jy?
Ja, nee, maar hy's ek
So ek gaan 'n normale 90 opsit. Ek sê, okay, hierdie een is 'n nuwe pyp.
Dis wel 'n nuwe
You
pyp.
see,
Hier
this
is
is
the
the
new
one
one.
here.
Maar hierdie een
This side, né?
kan jy
That's that fitting. But that one I don't have. So that one we'll have to just cut off there. We brace
Net
that one on
ek
there.
het jou 90
Then we
alkohol.
change, we replace this pipe for you.
Was dit te lank?
So tell me, how long will that take?
This
Yeah.
will take about say half an hour, 20
Okay.
minutes.
What's that gonna cost me on that one there?
Can I give you a price now on
Okay,
this one?
so hierdie een is Saturday
You want the
kant,
price on this?
90 die
No, you want the
kant.
price on the other one?
Yeah, and then give me a price on that there also one time, then you can somewhat do it, it's fine. I'll just come back for it. Because I don't want to put it on the car now and then.
260. Yeah,
Twee
260.
barrels en dan een nat voor.
En 8 mil fuels, né? En twee cars.
The thing is, I put this thing on the car now and then it leaks again. Because I'm
Yeah,
gonna go and
because
get
here you
bumpers.
can check, yeah.
Yeah, it's already.
It's brittle, so
Yeah.
don't trust it.
Yeah.
Especially for brakes.
Die ene is
Clutch, yeah.
Ek glo jy ons pa was al seker later want nie so as daar hy.
Ja, nee, tref, hoor ek sê.
Weer los. Right. Thanks
Genre.
I want this one and straight and tempo.
Yeah, he wants that one like that.
Yeah, WC1.
But he's gonna reuse these nuts. Don't know why. I'm gonna make a hose assembly now. So you take a male, test it always with a female. Because you get these weird things that come from Hong Kong.
Okay.
Okay, so now I've tested that fitting, I know that's right. Now I take my fitting. Test it. Now that's right. The same on the 90 degree. More Dirkie. Okay. Then what you do is from there you go there. Then you get your collars. Your two collars to accommodate your pipe. And then you get check if it's an offcut of 2 wire here. Half inch 2 wire offcut. No, there's nothing here. So, now
So
what you do is
that pipe's called 2-wire.
yeah, that's 2 wire, that's 1 wire. That's an offcut pin.
Okay.
So now what we do is we take the coil and we make the plug. Okay. Then what you do is plonk it down. Sky
Okay, I
over.
don't want to be in your way there.
Okay, anyway, collar.
Okay, so you're doing some measurements there.
There.
So this machine does everything.
Yeah, cuts, everything. There's a crimper there.
Is that including the rubber pipe?
That's including the flexible brake
Okay,
pipe
start this
and
side here.
the fuel line and that nut.
Okay, give Give me 1 second, I'm now going.
Okay.
Okay, so that's going in there.
Not yet.
Oh, not yet.
First change the jaws.
Okay.
Môre oom Marius. Dirk, hoe gaan dit met jou? Ah, sê man. Ja. Wat sê jy? Brandewyn, whisky?
Whisky.
Unfortunately verkoop ons net water is so, né?
Maar is dit was 15 meter mos net?
Ja.
Hoeveel meter? Ek weet nie. Wat gaan hier?
Yes. Oh, legal, ja. Oké, water, is maar net vir my om te drink van dit hier.
Oh, dis maar net vir lewe.
Ja. Jy weet nie. So,
Dis wat?
water.
So,
Hier, water. Ja, die man is aan die water hier so. Dan moet jy dit ook doen.
Ja, ek kan hom
Okay, is it better to get it from this angle or the other angle?
No, this that angle is perfect. Then yeah. You go no go.
ja, ek is.
Okay, so that's basically when it's pressed down and
Yeah, see, it's
Okay,
done.
so we just, yeah, sure.
This side over here, the same.
I did.
And there you go. There's your
Hundreds.
done.
Yeah, that's lekker. That's nice. Okay.
Yeah.
How are you? Lekker man. No problem. No problem. I used to work here, guys. Just engines. Uncle Nabil, I'm gonna go in the back here, man. I was here before, almost in any case, but I just want to check what else is here. Say hello, Bongs. Don't be a cake. How are you?
Oh yeah.
Are we? There's enough engines here, guys. Enough for Africa. Are you picking up the engine? Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Let me see. Go, 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 go.
I'm trying.
What'd you do?
I'm trying to pick up the engine. Customer wants it.
Oh. Oh, you're using this thing here?
Yeah.
How must I do? Which one? Up?
Yes, up. Up. Wait.
Okay.
Okay. Let's see. Okay. Should okay. Pick it up.
Hey.
Up. Up. Wait. There you go.
As long as you didn't die and the engine is fine. Oh man. Sharp guys. I will see you on. Enjoy the day. See you, Sharp. See you, Nabil. Thank you so much.